Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure Circle V4 and the Vivo T4x plugin are active, since the plugin exposes search hooks and filters. Once done, confirm your dataset is indexed so searches return fast results. Indexing includes metadata and timestamps for relevance. Now, open Circle and choose the Vivo T4x profile. Create a new search session immediately. This initiates the search context and loads prefabricated analyzers, which you will modify next to You now configure the heavy lifting. Pick analyzers like signal-to-noise and artifact rejection because they improve precision by removing spurious detections. Then set epoching and time windows in 0. 5-second increments to capture relevant events without excess noise. Make sure to select the correct physiological channels so the system targets the right signals. Use Boolean filters, and when you need concurrent criteria, not to exclude known artifacts, and preview 1020 results to confirm behavior. Finish by running the full search and exporting results as CSV or the native session format, so you can audit findings and share them. You should validate key hits against raw traces to confirm true positives, and if needed, adjust thresholds in small steps of 5 to 10% to tune sensitivity versus specificity. If results are missing or noisy, check indexing status, confirm the plugin version matches Circle, and verify channel mapping. These 3 fixes resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.